Good afternoon, YouTubers. I had a problem the other day where I couldn't get my gauge to fit anywhere on the lathe, so I came up with the idea of fitting it into the actual tool holder itself. So I'll show you how I've done it. What I've done, I cut a nice piece of 12mm square steel, so it's about 1.5 inches long. I've done a spacer with a 5mm thread in it, some little bolts, or screws I should say, screws. How it goes together is that's countersunk there, drop that one in there. Screw that on there. Put him in the back, through the hole in there, the hole in there. Put him through the back of there. Screw him in. Nope. Put them into there. Screw that down. Just tighten the glove screws up. That's it. Fit that on your lathe. I'll just show you how it fits on. That's how it fits on. It's a cheap old tool holder, but I don't normally use that one. This is the one I normally use. Oops, just put the washer off it. That's the one I normally use, but just shows you how decent this lathe is. The only glip on there is they mark it up with a 0 where the balance is, where they balanced it. They mark it with a 0 where the nut lines up with the spindle, and that's the only blip you'll see. It's not bad, it's not bad at all. Quite pleased with that. See the blip then, we just went past the 0. I'll bring the 0 round. You can see the 0 on there. That's it, well, that's where it flicks it. That's the only thing you'll get on it. I mean, that's quite good for a budget lathe like this. It's not one of the most expensive ones, but yeah, pleased with that. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. So that's my little setup for the gauge. Yeah, I normally use this one, which is, it's hit and miss with the magnet. That's the problem. You don't know if it's going to slip or anything. It isn't a bad tool, but with a small lathe like this, you haven't got a lot of space to mount it or set it up. You have to set it on the saddle or the cross slide or something, or sometimes I've set it up on the top of here. It's just not good, but here I'm really happy with that. And I can leave that set like that, and I can just change the tool post over. That's all I have to do. It's only a cheap old tool post. It's only an aluminium one, which is not very good anyway. I wouldn't recommend buying one of these. When I first started, turning with the lathe. I bought one of these because I thought that was okay, but a little inferior compared to the Warco one. And it wasn't very expensive either. And the tool post holders, the tool post tools themselves, the holders, are pretty good. They're really well made, nice and chunky, compared to these. Yeah, they're not brilliant. They're all right for a bit of light cutting, but I don't use them, to be honest. I don't use them, but I'll only use this now for setting things up. So now I can use two if I need the front of the job setting and the edge of the job doing. I can do both. But I'm really pleased with the chuck. Anyway, I'll leave it there. I've done 2 videos today, one on my engine and one on the lathe. Alright, I'll leave you there. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and tick a little like if you're pleased. If you like it, tick it. If you don't, untick it. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.